How to change the background of Roblox on mobile. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to change the background of Roblox on mobile. First, you need to install the Yander browser on your mobile device. Next, search for the web Chrome extension in the search bar. Now before proceeding, you will need to access the PC version on your phone. After that, simply tap to open this extension. Next, navigate to the search bar and search for the stylus extension. Now, you need to open this extension and then tap on the Add to Chrome button on the right side of your page. Next, tap on the Add extension in the pop-up. Once done, now you need to open up your Roblox application on a web browser. So go ahead and type in roblox.com in the search bar. Then, simply tap on this link to open it. After that, tap on Continue in Browser. Next, you need to log in to your Roblox account. So simply enter your email and password and then tap on the Login button. Next, tap on the three bars at the bottom right corner. Here, scroll down and tap on the Add-ons option. Then tap on Stylus in this window. Next, select the option Styles are turned off. After that, tap on this option in the pop-up and then you can select the background for your Roblox account. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.